Let's play a game. I'll give you 3 statements about studying in Germany. 2 are true, 1 is a lie. First, Germany has free education. Second, you can earn up to 1000 euros per month while studying. And third, your blocked account is not enough to survive in Germany. Can you find the lie? Yeah, this one. Germany does not have free education, at least not in the way people imagine it. Most people are surprised to know that tuition fees exist in both public and private universities, and these fees can go up to 7 lakh rupees per semester. So in this video, I want to talk about these 3 points and how understanding them can help you avoid some major mistakes when you come to Germany for your studies. Technically, this sentence is true, but there are major exceptions. And if you have just started to research about studying in Germany, it's important you understand this properly. There are 3 places in Germany that charge tuition fees for international students. First, the state of Baden-Württemberg. They charge 1500 euros per semester for all international students, and this includes pretty popular universities like Heidelberg, Stuttgart, Freiburg, and Karlsruhe. You cannot really avoid these fees, and as compared to private universities, it's quite cheap. Second, TUM and some public universities. TU Munich, which is arguably one of the most popular universities in Germany, started charging tuition fees for all international students a few years ago. Per semester, they charge 4000 to 6000 euros for masters and 2000 to 3000 euros for bachelors. You also have the RWTH International Academy, which also charges tuition fees, and if you're going for MBA, you have to and you should pay fees there as well. Don't go for free MBA. Third, private universities. Universities like SRH, ISM, etc. offer more English taught programs, and they are often chosen by students who have lower grades and a slightly weaker profile. There are some private universities in Germany which are quite good, but they are also very expensive. Your per semester fees can start from 3000 euros and go all the way up to 7000 euros. Yeah, you might need an education loan. One side note, even if you have to pay tuition fees, Germany is quite affordable as compared to US, UK, Australia, so don't worry. Back to the video. And for your safety, before you choose any private university, make sure you talk to the students who are already studying there so that you can avoid getting scammed. One more thing. Tuition fees are not semester contributions. Even if your university has no tuition fees, you still have to pay semester contribution, which is for admin costs, semester ticket, etc. As a student in Germany, you can work for 20 hours per week during your semesters and 40 hours per week during your semester breaks. And the minimum wage in Germany is 12.82 euros per hour, and in early 2026, it will be increased to 13.90 euros per hour. Meaning whatever job you take, they have to pay you at least this amount. Now let's do some math. If you're working for 20 hours per week for all 4 weeks in a month at the minimum wage, your total gross income would be around 1025 euros. You have to pay some social contributions, but you'll still end up getting around 900 euros per month, which is almost equal to your blocked account. If you find a job which is related to your degree or your work, it can easily pay up to 20 to 25 euros per hour. That way, not only you'll end up getting paid for the work, but also you'll get the experience for your CV. One more thing. Part-time jobs are not easy to get just because they offer minimum wage. You have to learn the German language if you want to study and work in Germany, so you should start as soon as possible. If you want some help to start learning German, you'll find some free resources in the description which will give you a good head start. You'll also find links to our Faster German A1 to B2 courses which have helped over 20,000 students, and it is also built with a native German speaker. And if you want to be one of those 20,000 people who want to start their German language journey with us, all links are in description. Just like in India, living in Mumbai versus living in a smaller city like Vapi means that your costs will be higher. And the same is true for Germany. Cities like Munich and Berlin are expensive. Rent, food, travel, everything costs more. And depending on your lifestyle, your monthly expenses can easily exceed your blocked account amount. And there are only 2 ways to avoid this. Either get a part-time job or ask money from your family. Here's what I mean. When you finalize your university, you need to do a proper research on what your monthly expenses can be. Talk to the students who are already living there. check rent prices on multiple housing websites, and try to get a basic sense of your monthly expenses like groceries, food, travel, health insurance, etc. Remember that even if you have no tuition fees, you still have to pay around 15 lakhs just to study in Germany, and 80% of this amount is just for your blocked account. And that's why your blocked account provider also needs to be trustworthy, because if your payment gets stuck or delayed, you are going to struggle. That's why you should choose a trusted provider like Expatrio. Not only are they one of the most popular providers, but if you take their value package, firstly, you get a German blocked account accepted by all German authorities. You also get a 90 euros cashback with TK Flex health insurance. You get free incoming travel insurance worth up to 95 euros, which is mandatory for your visa. You also get a free bank account and a digital debit card for all your needs in Germany. And you also get a free digital Isaac card worth up to 18 euros, which provides a lot of offers and discounts for students. You can sign up with the link in the description. And that's it for this video. If you have any doubts, put them in the comments below. And if you want to start studying in Germany, there are free resources in the description which will give you a big head start.